If you're a homeowner in Los Angeles and your roof is showing its age, you're probably wondering, how much is a new roof going to cost? In this video, we'll break down real roofing prices in Los Angeles for 2026. Whether you need a small repair or a full replacement, we'll cover all the numbers so you can plan your budget with confidence. Let's start with roof repairs. Small repairs like fixing a leak, replacing a few damaged shingles, or sealing around a vent typically cost between $350 and $1,500 in LA. If the damage is more extensive, like sagging decking or water damage to the underlayment, you could be looking at $2,000 to $4,000. Now let's talk about full roof replacement. For asphalt shingles, which are the most common and affordable option, a full replacement on a typical 1,500 to 2,000 square foot home costs between $5,000 and $12,000. That includes tear-off of the old roof, new underlayment, new shingles, flashing, and cleanup. Architectural shingles, the thicker, more durable version, run about $1 to $2 more per square foot than standard 3-tab shingles. They look better, last longer, and many LA homeowners prefer them for the curb appeal. Tile roofing is very popular in Los Angeles, especially clay and concrete tile. A full tile roof replacement typically costs between $10,000 and $25,000 for an average-sized home. Tile is more expensive up front, but it can last 50 years or more, making it a great long-term investment in the LA climate. For flat roofs, which are common on mid-century and modern homes in LA, you have options like TPO, modified bitumen, and built-up roofing. Flat roof installation typically costs between $4,000 and $10,000 depending on the size and material. TPO is becoming the most popular choice for its energy efficiency and durability. Now, what factors affect the price? Roof pitch matters. Steeper roofs are harder and more dangerous to work on, which increases labor costs. The number of layers also matters. If your roof has 2 or more layers of old shingles, the tear-off is more expensive. Accessibility, chimney flashing, skylights, and the overall condition of the decking all play a role. Permits are required for most roofing work in Los Angeles. A standard roofing permit in LA costs between $200 and $500. Your contractor should handle the permit, but make sure it's included in your quote. Here are some tips for choosing a roofing contractor. Always verify their license. In California, roofing requires a C-39 license. Ask for proof of workers' compensation and general liability insurance. Get at least 3 written estimates and make sure each one specifies the materials, warranty, timeline, and whether permit costs are included. At ProHands Home Improvement, we handle roofing projects of all sizes. From leak repairs to complete roof replacements. We use quality materials, pull all required permits, and stand behind our work with a solid warranty. If you need roofing work in Los Angeles, visit our website at prohandshome.com for a free estimate. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with other homeowners. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.